your thing's blown over into mate's driveway.
What thing?
That roll of silver stuff.
Oh, is it?
I don't get it.
How ironic.
Not sure if we made the bed a little bit too big. It was my fault because I said I wanted to be able to lie down in it. And not really having a plan of how to put it up or where to put it. Well, we know we want it there, but not really having a plan of how to put it up and how it's going to lower. That's probably not a great idea either. But I'm sure we'll figure something out. Well, we're waiting for Dave to get back. You just want to hit the subscribe button in the corner, and then by the time you've done that, he'll be back. Oh. Did I mention it's cold today? I am so impressed right now.
Thought I was going to fuck that up, Jordan, yeah.
I was just like, what the hell are you doing?
What are you doing?
Because when you put the bit of wood on that you took out there, I thought you'd done that the wrong way round.
Yeah, for a start.
Starters.
Same again, really. Just a bit off there.
Alright?
Yeah. Simon! Same again that side.
Yeah. Then
Floating.
you can put the button.
And then I can drill with my thingy through there.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, obviously where down here, yeah.
And then what you can do is get that in level and then work out one from sort of bring it out and then cut some more timber down, screw onto that.
Mm.
Yeah.
Just make it a bit stronger, like. Yeah, like even if I had to put something like that on it.
Yeah. In the same wood, yeah.
Yeah.
Cut that down with it, yeah. Right then, you got it. How far's the bed go to then?
Not that, it's actually worked out really well, mate.
Has it?
Yeah. Stay there. The bed literally comes to that line now, look.
Does it?
Yeah.
That's better like that. Oh,
Yeah.
that line. Oh, okay.
That line there.
So it's got above that box, basically, yeah.
Yeah, so I'll
That's
cut
all
that
right.
one in
Yeah.
about there.
That's it.
Just going to pack that off of
Yeah.
something, another timber going off of it
That's it.
to bring it out to there. Get all that fastened in. You just hold it up to the ceiling like that.
Yeah.
So that measurement from there
Yeah.
to there,
Should be 6.
1885,
And what's this?
1800.
Are you sure about that?
What is that? Yeah, 1880 in it. Yeah, 1875, which is even better. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, I thought you said that was 1885 and then I measured that and it said 1887.
If that was the bed
Yeah.
and it had a back on it and it was drilled in there, it would come up
Yeah.
and come down.
Yeah.
What about there? Do you want to go to the bottom or do you want to go?
Well, it depends on where it fits, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think there personally because it will be on a support.
Wow. Check it out. And I need to hold this side, you need to hold that side.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
If we can hold that, like maybe level with that, like how we planned,
Yeah.
and then that will be level with the bottom of that. And yeah, so the bolt would have to go through through there.
But is it gonna twist?
Yeah.
Like,
That's enough to clear. It'll clear that wood at the back. That's why we've got to have it quite far forward.
yeah, but look about this like middle one here.
What do you mean?
Like if you twist it, it's gonna go.
Twist it like what? Like that?
Oh yeah, it's gonna clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it will clear.
Perfect.
Remember the tooth.
I see what you mean about it being weightless, but it's just taking all the weight, isn't it?
Need to be swapped around though.
Yeah.
That's my end.
Oh my god.
What?
That's awesome, isn't it?
Not yet, Fred, not yet. If you let go, what happens? It stays there.
Is it literally just that one, or is it that one as well?
My thoughts. Bed's upside down for a start. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
But again, that doesn't matter. But it's just so fucking annoying.
Well, all the fitting there from the ply is there, isn't it?
Yeah, that doesn't matter. The ply can just go on the outside of that.
Yeah.
Fixed to there.
And my smooth edges would be the bottom of the bed instead of the top.
Right, yeah. Yeah, good point. So if we turn it around,
Are you sure it's there and not the other side?
I'm sure it's there. Because if we go the other side, then the deep part of the bed's going to be in there, isn't it?
This is the top. This
Yeah,
is how it
that's the
goes
bottom.
in.
Yeah, it's this one here. 100%.
Are you sure?
100%. Because if we do it there, right,
Yeah.
it's gonna hit that bit even more, isn't it?
But we had it pretty much perfect on that one.
Yeah. But if we put it in there, because a minute ago
Yeah.
it was the other way around, wasn't it? So the hole is close to this bit. If we do the hole close to that bit there,
Oh yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah,
it's got to be opposite.
Yeah. Go on and show off your skills. How cool is that? Did take maybe 2 holes.
No, I've shown anybody that hole.
1 attempt. 2 attempt. 3rd time lucky.
Alright. Fucking hell.
No, I'm very impressed.
I'm very impressed.
Very impressed with my brother right now.
What did you have to do a plan conversion in?
I know. Doesn't make any sense, does it?
No, you don't know. But that does.
That's so cool.
That's mental, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
And it's not as, like, it doesn't take up as much room as I thought it
It
would.
doesn't take up any room. 'Cause
No.
if you think that's going to be applied off,
Yeah.
sofas are going to come out
Yeah.
here.
Nothing.
All of that storage space.
Yeah. It literally doesn't take any room up, really, whatsoever. It's just basically a little bit wider than that little box.
Yeah, when it was coming out, I was worried. But it's perfect.
Yeah, it's fine. Cool. Right, I'm going in, I'll feed them.
He's put these boards on. That supports that. And I'm not going to carry on with that conversation because I have no idea what I'm on about.
Oh my god, I can't even believe it. I can't get over it.
I love my bed. How amazing is
But
my
like-
bed?
Tomorrow,
Yeah,
if you clear all that and put that in there
yeah.
and just look at what you've done in this week,
In a week. It's crazy, isn't it?
it's meant.
I'm so impressed by Dave. It's unreal.
He's
Like,
so good, isn't he?
yeah.
Like his woodwork skills.
yeah, He was measuring like this board here.
Yeah.
He was looking at it and then he was like drawing a diagram. I was like, why is he just drawing a diagram just for the sake of it?
Yeah.
And then he cut it out and I went, oh my god, he just drew that to cut. He drew it to cut. I was just like, that's nuts. Another day at the office done.